I think a lot of people go to Washington, they read the Constitution, they're really excited about this concept of fairness and opportunity and justice. The core principles of open source are so highly aligned with the core principles of the U.S. government and the U.S. Constitution.
The more people are allowed to have input in the process, just as in the open source world, exactly like it, where the best ideas, the ones that rise to the top, are the ones that win and actually get into the code. Well, gosh, wouldn't it be nice if we had an ecosystem within government that allowed people to participate such that the best ideas were the ones that were actually implemented and turned into laws?
It is absolutely a groundswell moment in government for open source. I mean, we're running tactical battle systems for the Army. We're on shipboard systems in the Navy. We're running logistics systems in the Air Force. On the civilian side, the census, weather tracking, airflow traffic management. So we're doing enterprise class type of applications right now in the government.
In some of the most advanced, in some of the most complicated, in some of the most difficult technical environments, open source has succeeded surpassingly well.
Innovation happens better in that type of environment. We know that. We talk to customers about how we have done a very good job of monetizing and making secure and scalable this open source movement.
Obviously, in the government, security is a huge concern. In many cases, the security discussion is kind of how many angels can sit on the head of a pin. It's kind of a philosophical discussion, but we know that it is actually a concrete fact that open source software is secure. Among other things, we've been certified 12 times through the common criteria process, and have actually received the highest level of certification that's available in it for a mainstream operating system. Red Hat Enterprise Linux is qualified to handle multiple levels of security, so you can have secret, top secret, and unclassified information on the same machine.
It makes no sense at all to build systems in such a way that information from one system cannot be reconciled with, cannot even be compared to information from another system.
There's a fundamental belief on the part of our company that no one should ever be restricted to their ability to access public information based upon the kind of technology they use to access that information or the manner in which it's saved. So certainly in the context of public documents, it is absolutely essential that those documents be saved and stored in an open manner.
We need effective government. We need efficiency in government. We need government today to stand up as a model of what we can do.
If Red Hat is able to be that connective tissue between government and the broader communities, I mean, I think everybody benefits, right? That is what I think makes Red Hat uniquely suited to help shepherd open source and encourage open source adoption in government.